Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here and we are up to day 4 of the 7 Days of Summer Digi 2021 collab between JulieJulie and Cara Creations. As you probably already know, we have a page kit from each of these two wonderful ladies and we have to make something with it. Now, I, of course, am working on my recipe journal that I am creating. And just before I get rid of this, if you haven't already seen any of the other videos, follow this hashtag on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and you will find all the things that are going on because there's lots of us playing this time round. So let's get rid of this and I'll show you what was in these two kits. Now, different Dear JulieJulie, we have very vintage style. We have a large, or that could be a tag or an intro page, have a gorgeous postcard. There's a small watermelon, a slightly larger watermelon and lemons and berries. We have lemon and lemonade, little cutout from a dictionary. We've got this little piece, this little piece, this little piece, and this gorgeous girl. And from Cara Brandon, we have 2 tags. We have a little journal card. We have a pocket, another cute card. We have a couple of, they look like milk containers and a label. So when I was trying to decide what to make for my recipe journal, I did find these 2 collections stumped me because they are so very, very opposite. These are light and bright. These are darker and very vintage. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, how on earth can I somehow combine both? The other ones I was happy with. I thought that worked out well, but this one had me stumped. But I have hatched a little plan. So what I am going to do is move these over to the side. I have already prepped this page for my recipe journal. And I picked this piece of cardstock, firstly because it's quite thin and you'll understand why down the track. But I thought this yellow was sort of a nice in between the 2 tonings, so we wouldn't have too much clashing going on. I have already prepped it by sticking down on the back a piece of coffee dyed lined paper, because what I am going to make today is a menu planner. Once this is finished, I will run it through the laminator and that way I can jot down and erase each week. But I don't have an actual menu planner at the moment. And I thought, well, a lot of the recipes that are in these 2 old books that I'm going to bring back to life, there's a lot of really practical dinner recipes and things like that. So a great thing to use for menu planning. But first I was just going to collage over this and I went, no, okay, I'm a bit over collage. We need to do something a little bit different. And so what I'm going to do is actually do some fussy cutting and I'm going to create a border. Now, I've also pulled in a couple of things I found in a magazine to dot around and try and link the 2 together a little bit because they're so contrasting. So I thought what we would do, I'm going to start off with this piece here. I'm going to fussy cut around here. I don't want to get rid of all the lemons because that is sort of what this is about. And we're going to pop that down there. Actually, what I might do is we're going to use this, I think. We'll just use this lightly because I've just realised I don't have my glue stick at my desk. It's out on the dining room table at the moment because I have been playing with a couple of other projects at the same time. So there we go. So we're going to sort of build the corners and then we're going to fill it in, and you'll understand exactly what I'm up to very soon. Now, I think we might put this over in the other corner. Again, I'll leave a little bit of the lemon there because I think that's cute. But yes, this one, honestly, they are so contrasting, but we're going to make it work. There we go. We'll pop that one in that corner. Now, I think oops-a-daisy, that one is not quite straight. Let's just, let's see if we can slide that bit over. There we go. No, not quite, but I'll tidy that up. I think we might use this up in that top corner. Again, I'm going to leave a bit of a border because I like this colour contrast. So we won't cut it too perfectly. So again, we're trying to combine all these different styles. So if we make sure we include some of the background, it might just all blend a little bit better. Right, there we go. That is going up in that corner. Then we've got to worry about the other corner, but we'll get there. Okay, so that's that corner taken care of. Lovely. Now, let's see, what else are we going to fit in here? Let's get rid of these things for now, just so I can see better what we have going on. I'm not too worried about over sticking this down because I'm going to be running it through the laminator, so I don't care if it lifts a little bit. That's all okay. Now, let's have a look. How would that go there? That could work, or we could pop that down in there. We could pop that lemon there. No, let's have a look. We could put that in there. That would fill up that gap quite nicely. Oh, I think I like that. So a little bit of glue on there. Okay, we might pop that up in the corner. There we go. Then we might stick with the plan of putting that one there. Yes, we're going to do that too. Okay, that's that one done. Then I think we might chop this off, and I'll use the little lemonade sign, and we might pop, we'll pop that one down in there. That'll fit quite nicely. Okay, that works. Then we have, let's see, I might, I do like this here. Sure, we can find room for this on here somewhere. I think we'll keep lemon and lemonade. Actually, we could split it in two and use both. Oh, I might put, no, we'll put lemonade down here, seeing we've already used that lemonade sign, so lemonade can be down the bottom. And then we'll put the lemon up in the top corner. Yeah, we might pop that up there. That then adds a bit of white up there again as well. It just all sort of starts to help things to blend in a little bit. Then, we've got this really cute piece, but that's sort of the same. What we might do is get rid of that for now. And we might pop that over there. That's a good idea. Okay, that's that bit there. Then we might, oh, that fills that spot quite nicely. Let's pop that down. And then we might do the same with the watermelon, and that will sort of help link the pink in to the green, which sort of works with that there. And then, look, I've got these cute little strawberries. We might just dot them in here somewhere too. Where have we got room for these? Might put those down there to add a little bit of red down this part of town. Okay, and then I've got these cute little kiwi fruit slices. I think we need to we'll just dot them all around. And that'll add a bit of bright green everywhere. There's another one. And I've got one left. Again, these were just cut out from a magazine. Let's pop that over there in that corner. And then what we're going to do, I found this in a magazine. What's for dinner? So this looks completely different to everything else, but that's okay. Because again, it's contrast and it will just break up the sort of difference between old and new, and I'm going to pop it right in the middle, I think. And it will then become the focal point as soon as you look at this, and you won't even notice that you have old trying to blend in with new. There we go. So that is the front side of my menu planner. And then over on the back side, before I laminate it, I obviously want to put some days of the week on there. So I have this great little stamp set that has the days in a pretty script font. So we are going to pop those. Oh, let's get this out of the way first. Okay, so here we go. Where are we? I need Monday first. Here in Australia, we start our weeks on a Monday. So I know other people don't do, but we definitely do. So we're just going to pop this on here. Like that. Oh, have I got a little piece of rubbish? Yes, we'll just give that a clean up stamp or two. Take that off and we'll continue on. Tuesday. Oops, that was close, almost lost it. Yeah, no, we'll leave some space because I'm not so worried about the weekends because you're often out and about on weekends, so weekends will probably end up with a little bit less space than during the week, but that's fine with me. And we're going to pop Wednesday on. clean up. Thursday. Oh, we're getting there, getting through the week here. There we go. Now, of course, if you would like to play along and make things with these gorgeous kits, please make sure you look down in the description box below, because the links to purchase these 2 kits from Dear JulieJulie and Cara Brandon are all listed down below. And if you follow the hashtag, you'll find lots of inspiration. And the thing is, it's never too late to join in the fun. Might not be summer here in Australia, but I'm happy to make summery things. So wherever you are, you might like to create some summery fun. And these kits are incredibly good value. And you really can create lovely things. And then just combine it with your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Oh, I could have left more space, I've just realised. Oh, thought I'd missed a day. That would have been fun. Oh, I would have just stuck another sheet down on. But there we go. We have our days of the week. And so what I will do is just run this through the laminator. And that way I can just use, I can write down, and I've got enough room here for breakfast, lunch and dinner if I want to get that creative. But otherwise I will just, it's usually just dinners that I worry about, and do like to do some menu planning sometimes. So I thought this was a great thing to add to my recipe planner. So once it's laminated, I will punch 2 holes, and that will then go onto my ring binder clips like everything else will be. And of course, when it's laminated, you can write on it. It won't get dirty. And I think that turned out really cute. After all my concerns about combining vintage with rather modern, I think that looks really cool. And I've used quite a few pieces, and I'm really happy with that. So thank you very much for sharing this with me today. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would love it if you did. I do lots of paper crafting and paper planning videos to help inspire you, especially this year, to use your stash. As I mentioned in the first video, I'm purchasing nothing to create this. I'm using things that I've got, and of course these gorgeous kits. And there's no reason why you can't do the same. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.